What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, and welcome. In this portion of the video, I am in a collaboration with Madison Park. So I'm going to show you guys the items that I received, and I'm going to get into all the details and give you my honest opinion. They have a lot of items for your home, such as bedding. They have bathroom accessories. They have items for your home. If you never heard about Madison Park, they have curtains, they have towels, and all sorts of nice luxury items for your home. So I'm going to show you guys the first items that I received. Before we start, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. So the first item that I have these towels, and it is a washcloth inside. Now look at that. They are a nice size. They are fluffy. I'm gonna open them up so you guys can get a better look. Okay, so this is the hand towel, guys. So nice size, very thick for your bathroom. Look how nice that is. And then I got blue, beige. So this is what the towels look like. They're really, really, really long, guys. Look at that. And very decorative. So you can decorate your bathroom. And then this is the hand towels. So you get the hand towels. You get two washcloths, 2 towels, and 2 hand wash. So here that is here. This is the hand towels. So, and these are the little bath cloths here. So they're like really a nice size. You get all 8 in a pack. If you are interested in these hand towels and washcloths, I will have the link in my description for you. So let's get into the next item. The next item I got was this rug for the bathroom. And look how long. The nice thing that I liked about the rug for your bathroom is washable. So you can just throw this bad boy in a washing machine and go about your day. But it's very long, very thick for the bathroom. And they do match the hand towels and stuff. So I wanted it to kind of collaborate and match. All right, next item I got was this 12-piece comforter set, and y'all all know that I love me some comforter sets, baby. So this is a 12-piece. You get 1 comforter, you get 2 shams, and you get a 4-piece set. You get the pillows included, and this is in a size queen. This one is in color gold, and I'm gonna make the bed up so you guys can see what it really look like. This one is in gold. It's basically the same, but it's just a different color. And so this one has more inside, so we're gonna deal with the one I have more inside. So let's get into it. Let's make up the bed now.
This away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 note, just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah. $8 night, say fuck the niggas that you gave with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
Okay guys, so now we are talking about the Black Girl Vitamins. If you never heard of Black Girl Vitamins, they were funded in 2021 by a lady named Maxine. This was also along with three doctors that clinically approved their vitamins. So these are the D3 vitamins. So if you have low energy, you're feeling really like a low mood, you're feeling really tired, these vitamins will help you improve your energy levels. So if you're feeling like fatigue, you're tired, and you just don't know why, go to the doctor and get your energy level, get your levels checked. If they're real low, then you may have to get some D3 vitamins. Now, these, like I said, were clinically approved. I've been on them, and as you can see, the whole bottle is, well, almost empty. They taste really, really good. Like, I really love them. I take 2 a day. I would eat first, and then I would take my vitamins. They have a bunch of vitamins on their site. They have multivitamins, D3. They have CMOS vitamins. They have prenatal vitamins. They have so many vitamins that can help you. Mood vitamins, menopausal vitamins. They have so many that were clinically proven by a doctor, and a black doctor of color. So when I saw all of these on the website, I had to jump on them because now I have so much energy. And these are amazing. They taste amazing. So if you are interested in the Black Girl vitamins, click on my link, grab yours today. Grab yours today and thank me later. The benefits are they give you energy, they reduce inflammatory, they're vegan free, they're gluten free. It also improves heart health. It also strengthens your bones. It also improves your mood and reduces stress. So these have great benefits. So like I said, check out the website, see which ones you want, and grab them. You're gonna love them because I have to have my vitamins every day. And I also tried the multivitamins, which they are going, but I'm gonna get another bottle of those. So yeah, these are really, really, really amazing. It is called Black Girl Vitamins, and they are really, really amazing. So click on the link and grab yours today. And this is just my honest opinion. I'm not getting paid to say this. I'm not just telling you guys to say this. This is my honest opinion about the Black Girl vitamins. All right.
Got a host to my mall, neighborhood superstar.